Here's how to make money on TikTok without showing your face and start generating anywhere between $100 to $300 doing so. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So if we check some of those accounts that I have opened up here, you will see that some of those accounts has a lot of followers on them, like this one here with 248,000 followers, another one here with 140,000 followers, another one with almost 400,000 followers. And all this account is doing really is just posting pictures on their feeds, and that's just about it. I mean, they have a video in the background, which is usually something very not extraordinary, I would say. Like this one is just a video of the sky in the background. This one has video of some trees in the background, and this one has basically a video of a rainforest or of a rainfall, sorry, in all of their videos. But really, why people are watching those videos, it's because of the picture that you see in the middle. You know, those pictures are very interesting. They are like infographics sometimes. You know, they teach you certain things that you might not know, and they've been doing is posting those pictures online, and they've built a huge following, as you can see. And none of those accounts, as you can clearly see, are showing their face. None of those creators of those accounts are showing their face, and yet they are generating hundreds of thousands of views on some of their videos. Definitely thousands of views, like 36,000, 44,000, 31,000, 23,000. So they are generating a ton of views on some of their videos, as you can see. Same thing, this one has 443,000, 40,000. Let's look the other one. 32,000, 13,000, 37,000, 230,000. So they are generating a ton of views on their account, and yet they're not showing their face, and they've grown a huge following by simply doing this. So what exactly are they doing with all that traffic that they are generating, and how exactly are they making money? So what most of them are doing is they're doing what we call affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make, okay? So you don't have to create any product, you don't have to handle any customer support, you don't have to worry about creating the product or shipping the product. So all you're doing is just driving traffic and then earning a commission on every sale that you make. This is one of the greatest advantage of this business model, is that as I've just said, you don't have to worry about a lot of things with that business model. So the first thing you want to do if you want to replicate some of the things that those TikTok accounts are doing where they're not showing their face, is you first need to find a product to promote, okay? And there's a ton of different places where you can go to find products to promote as an affiliate, but one very popular place that a lot of people go to is this website here called clickbank.com. And basically what this website is, they show you a ton of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. As you can see here, when you click on marketplace, and you will be redirected to this particular page here where you can see a bunch of different products that are very popular on the website. On the left here, you see a bunch of different categories. Those are basically different niches that you can pick a product from. For example, the cooking, food and wine niche, you can promote products such as in the special diet sub niche, recipes, cooking. So if we look at something else, let's say health and fitness, you will have different products such as diets and weight loss, products in the meditation niche, products in the yoga niche. So you can find a bunch of different products here on the left based on the niche that you want. But if you don't know which product to promote, you can simply come to where it says find product, leave this empty, and then just click on search, and you will be shown a bunch of different products that you can promote as an affiliate. And all those products that you see here are products that are selling very, very well at the moment. For example, this product here, Exipule, you would earn on average about $146 per sale, and has a gravity score of 1,234. And what this gravity score means is basically how popular the product is amongst affiliate marketers. The higher the gravity score, it means the higher the number of affiliates making money promoting this product, which means that this product is highly converting. Okay, for this product, there's 1,234 affiliates making sales promoting this product. So this product is clearly extremely popular. Here's another one here with a gravity score of 572. Here's another one here with a gravity score of 188. So those are some of the metrics that you want to look at when picking a product to promote as an affiliate. Okay, so for example, let's say you wanted to promote the first product, which is Exipure. You would simply click on promote, and you would get your affiliate link that you can send traffic to in order to earn commissions when you get sales. So once you pick a product to promote, the next step now is to go and create a TikTok page or TikTok videos similar to those that I just showed you. So how do you go about doing this? So step number one is you want to go to a website called pexels.com, and this is a website where you can find a ton of free stock photos and images, royalty-free images that you can use on social media. You won't get any copyright issues by using some of the images and videos that you get in here. And the reason why you want to do that, you want to use this website and you want to use content from here is because if you remember when we check out some of those Instagram, some of those TikTok accounts, you see that they have those background videos, right? Where they're basically not showing anything much. Like for this one, it's just rainfall, it's just a waterfall. This one is just like videos of trees and lakes in the background. So this is what we're going to look at as well. We're going to look for similar videos that we can use on our TikTok video. So you want to come to the search bar here and you want to type something like, let's say, nature, right? Let's type nature. And when you press enter, you will see a bunch of different images that you can pick. But what we want is videos. But what you want to do first, you want to click on orientation and you want to click on vertical, because TikTok videos are vertical, right? So click on vertical. Once you click on that, you want to click on videos. Once you click on videos, you will see a bunch of different videos that you can use in your TikTok video. So for example, this is something that this guy is most probably using, right? So here's a bunch of different videos that you can pick from. So let's just say we were to pick one like let's pick this one. Okay, let's click on this. Let's open it up. Let's see how long this video. So this is around 1 minute long, right? Okay, let's pick this video. Let's download this. So once you've picked your video template that you're going to use in your TikTok videos, step number 2 now is to find those image type of content that we saw on those TikTok pages, right? So you can go to simply Google. There's 2 ways to go about doing this. You can go to Google and simply type, health tips, similar to the one that you see here, and see what pops up. Or you might even add, for example, did you know? Because apparently this is something that he's showing a lot on his videos. So I typed in health tips, did you know? And then this page showed up, and you want to click on images, and you will see a bunch of those images that he is also using on his video. And this is like an easy way you can go and find those images online. So simply using Google and doing a little bit of research. The second way you can go about finding those type of images is to simply go on Fiverr and simply type in health infographics. And what you will see is you will see sellers selling really high quality health infographics that you can use on your page. Those are very similar to what this guy is using on this page here. Okay, so for example, I typed in health infographics and I open up those 2 gigs here. As you can see, this guy is offering 800 health, fitness, and nutrition infographics, and he's only charging $25 for this, which is like really cheap for the amount of content that you are getting. And basically you're getting so many different of those infographics, and the best part is that you can even add your own logo and your own username with options of white and black background, so you can even customize it and make it more unique to yourself when buying those infographics. And this is how a lot of those people are getting those types of content on here. If we look at the second one, this one is offering like 900 infographics in the health and fitness niche, and he's only charging like $15 for this. So there's a lot of people selling this on Fiverr. This one also allows you to will customize it for you with your social media username and your brand color. And as you can see, it's really cheap, only $15 for that many content that you can use online. So once you've got your video template downloaded and your image downloaded, now step number 3 is to create your TikTok video. And one easy way to do this is to go on a website called canva.com, which is a free online editing tool. So you don't need any fancy editing tool for this. You don't need like Photoshop or Adobe Premiere or whatever. So simply how you would create your TikTok video, go to the home page, then you want to click on video, and then you want to scroll all the way to the right until you see TikTok videos, because that's what we are creating, right? So you want to click on TikTok video, and you will be presented with a blank Canva, as you can see here. And in order to save time, I've already uploaded my image in my video template. So basically what we'll do is you will click on your video template, bring it here on the blank Canva. You want to readjust this, make sure that it fits the whole Canva, and then you want to drag your image as well, and you want to put it like this, right? There you go. Obviously the video is a bit too long, so we're gonna shorten this. We're gonna make this around, let's say, 25 seconds. There you go. As you can see, let's put it here, and this would be your video. As you can see, the video is playing in the background and you have your image right in the middle, and this is exactly how they are doing it. Nothing different, nothing more extraordinary, as you can see. So once you've created your video on Canva, now step number 4 is to simply upload your video on TikTok, and then simply rinse and repeat. Do it again and again and again. By doing this, you can create those videos very, very quickly, and you can upload like 5 or 6 or 7 per day just by doing this, okay? Obviously, you want to have your affiliate link in your bio, or else you won't be making any money. You want to target the right hashtags. But if you can do this consistently and post like numerous times a day, because as I've just showed you, this only takes a few minutes to do, you can eventually start creating a nice you can start finally generating a nice traffic that will eventually lead to affiliate sales. There are a lot of different ways to make money on TikTok without showing your face, and I will cover some of them later in another video. But this is a good strategy that you can use where you don't have to show your face, and you can really start generating an income online. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.